Alright, we're going to review this HDMI connector, and we're actually going to put it in the car. And I know it's overkill with the 8K, but we did want to put this in our car for a trial anyway, and then we do have future plans for it, hooking it up to one of our newer TVs. But for right now, we just want to make sure that it works and that we're able to get it up and going. And we're going to use this HDMI to AV converter, and we're going to hook up a little DVD player in the car and just see if we can get it to play. So next time I talk with you, it'll be in the car after everything's hooked up. Alright, we have AV connections here, and it's going up in HDMI and into our DVD player, and it is playing up on our screen right here. I don't know if you can hear the sound or not. It only comes across on our headphones, so anyway, it seems to be working just fine. Everything is working well, and great product. I hope this helps in your buying process, and we'll talk at you later.